How can collaborations between artists and the health sector strengthen advocacy for things like maternal health and better access to healthcare in Nigeria?
When it comes to maternal health, every woman is involved. As an artist, we have been using our art to advocate for better maternal health for women. And this we do through the images we put on our canvases. And when you see these images, you will be able to understand that a good environment is good for a woman to have a conducive pregnancy period. So we've been using our art to promote and advocate for better mental health all this while. So it's something we already used to for the past 3 events that the Nigerian Health Watch have had. Yes.
I know my mom specifically, she went through, I call it PTSD, but it wasn't PTSD. It was depression after giving birth. She had a bit of depression after giving birth to me. It didn't mean that she didn't love me. It just meant that she was going through her own mental health struggles. Now, how do we encourage more women and more artists to depict the truth of this very salient issue?
I will tell you that most of the works on display depicts the after effects a woman go through. You find out that you have a woman in pensive mood. You have a woman that is depressed. Do you understand? I will tell you a story. It's my own personal story. I had 3 children, 2 boys and a girl. And at that stage, I felt I was okay. My mother is late. My mother-in-law late. So when I was having my children, I didn't have anybody to come take care of my children. Then you can imagine, after 3 children, I had twins. Yes. At this stage, nobody to run to. My stepmother-in-law came and spent some few days and said she was rushing back to take care of her husband, and it was her husband that told her, come and take care of this woman. At that stage, even when I traveled to the village, when you're supposed to have a lot of people, you understand, to rally around you, most of the time I was left alone with these twins. I will carry one on my back, I carry one on my hands, everybody would leave me. It got to a stage I broke down and I started crying. So what I'm trying to tell you in essence is this. We depict this in our paintings, but what we are trying to say here is, what is the solution to that depression? Art can help. It can be used as a therapy. You can listen to music. You can also view some, movies. You can, read books. All these are part of art. You can, by the time you look at colors, it's therapeutic. It can heal you. But in the paintings displayed, there are different stages of what women go through during this period of childbirth, pregnancy, and the uncertainty, especially the first timer. Like my daughter, she got married in December. She was not prepared, and she somehow got pregnant. Unfortunately, she lost the baby. But at that stage, it's also another learning process. A learning process, but art can help you to overcome most of this stress you go through after childbirth. It happens, but it's also displayed, depicted in our artworks.